GPT's new AI floor transformation, videos are going completely viral right now. Channels like Structural Aesthetics have generated over 370,000 subscribers and are getting millions of views with these simple videos. Today's videos may look relatively professional and high quality at first, but I will now show you my strategy on how you can create such videos completely with AI in just a few minutes yourself. The niche is still extremely new and is also being monetized. Check it out, thousands of dollars through these videos. Let's get started. First, go to ChatGPT and copy this long prompt. It saves us a lot of time. You can find the entire video prompt in my free AI YouTube newsletter. Sign up and I will send you the prompt for free. Link to the newsletter in the description. Copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Press enter. ChatGPT will now create 10 different video ideas and topics for which you can create these cool videos. Choose one. In this video, I am going with number 4, contemporary living room. Enter the number into the text field and press enter. ChatGPT will now give you 4 image prompts for the 4 scenes you need for the videos. Copy the first image prompt and open Grok AI. It is free. Use the image generation function and paste the first image prompt there. Format 9 to 16, press enter. Grok AI will now create a lot of images. Now select the image that looks the most realistic. Download it, move on to the second image prompt. Copy it and paste it into Grok AI. Also upload the previously created reference image so that Grok AI knows how the next image should continue. Press enter. Perfect, as you can see, the room changes in a natural way. Download the images again and do the same process with the remaining image prompts. This does not take long. After you have now created and downloaded all the images, go back to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will now ask you whether you want to continue with phase 3, answer with yes or phase 3. ChatGPT will now create the video prompts, matching the image prompts. There are 3 in total and not 4 like above, because as you can see, the video prompt is now created from the first image 1 and the second image 2. The same with the other video prompts. So it is very important that you also download all the images in Grok beforehand. Let's start with the first video prompt. Copy it and go to Grok AI. Paste the first video prompt there. Select video. Important, now upload image 1 and image 2 as reference, as indicated by ChatGPT, so that Grok AI knows how to create the video. The format again at 9 to 16. Press enter. Perfect, Grok AI has now created the first scene showing the workers cleaning and tidying up the room. Now do the process with the remaining 2 video prompts. Copy the prompt, then upload both reference images and let it generate. Great, after you have now created all the videos with the video prompts from ChatGPT. It should look like this for you in Grok AI. Do not forget to download all the videos and let us now move on to the final step. Open CapCut or any other video editing software. Upload the videos and drag them onto the timeline, one after the other, in the correct order. Add a transition. Write your name at the bottom of the video so that nobody steals the video directly. Also, add a cool background music like this one here and make sure that you have the video format set to 9 to 16. Done. Now subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and videos about YouTube automation with AI. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my free newsletter so I can send you the prompt from the video. Link in the description, check out my other videos and click on my next video. See you there.